Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best panel clip pliers is probably one of the most frustrating tools to shop for, because there are so many options available on the market, and the quality can vary wildly. In this video, we will review several different panel clip removal pliers, comparing their features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you find the perfect tool for your needs, whether you're a professional mechanic, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who needs to remove a few stubborn clips around the house. Number 5. Auto Trim Tool Kit. This kit is designed for easy removal of car trims without scratches. It's perfect for both interior and exterior work. Made from sturdy yet flexible nylon, it's built to last and protect your car's finish. You can confidently tackle any trim removal job. It works on cars, RVs, and even boats. This set is a must-have for any vehicle owner. Each tool has an ergonomic handle for comfortable and efficient use. Say goodbye to hand fatigue during repairs. Keep it in your car for on-the-go repairs. It's small enough to store easily, but powerful enough to handle any trim job. With this kit, you can remove trim pieces quickly and easily without worrying about damaging your vehicle's paint. It's the perfect solution for DIY car maintenance. What we like. This 5-piece set is perfect if you need a variety of tools for different car parts. It's made of durable nylon, so it won't scratch your car's finish. If you're tackling multiple projects, this is the best choice for its versatility and protection. What people say. The tools are incredibly durable, lightweight, and perfectly designed to make tasks like removing trim, dashboard panels, and other delicate components a breeze. They don't scratch surfaces, which is a huge bonus when working on interiors. The variety in the set ensures you have the right tool for virtually any project. I've already used it for car panel removal and even some home repair tasks. It saved me time and effort while delivering flawless results. The tools are durable and it's a great value for the money. Color sets it apart from other tools as well, easier to find, and just overall very pleased. Number 4. GOOACC 3 PCS Clip Pliers Set. It's made of high-quality manganese steel, much tougher than ordinary pliers, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The comfortable, non-slip handle makes it easy to use, even for extended periods. You'll appreciate the ease of use and reduced hand fatigue. Its lever and spring-loaded design, along with a long handle, makes removing stubborn clips quick and easy. It's a real-time saver. With a head only 1 to 2 mm thick, it easily reaches tight spaces. It's perfect for various clips, fasteners, and rivets. It's great for car upholstery, but also works on bikes and other projects. The included storage bag keeps everything organized. What we like. If you need heavy-duty pliers for tough clips, this is the one. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for long jobs. Choose this if you value comfort and efficiency when removing stubborn clips. What people say. The pliers made short work of removing the hood insulation clips of my Ram 1500. I tried to take them off without the tool and it was a futile effort. Definitely worth the price, and they come with 2 additional clip removal tools. I'm sure I'll use them. A good set of pry tools at a great price. The clip pliers in this set are worth the purchase price alone, and the gauge of steel they are made of is better than I expected, sturdy enough for the intended use. The storage pouch is made of a light but durable material, better than you normally see, handy for tool storage. Overall, I'm pleased with this purchase and I would buy again. I'm a professional mechanic, and I'm still using these tools years later. Number 3. 3 PCS Clip Remover Tool Kit. This kit is a must-have for any car enthusiast. It makes removing interior and exterior trim a breeze. Made from high-quality manganese steel, it's built to last. You'll find it's much stronger and more reliable than other tools. The spring-loaded design makes removing even the toughest clips quick and easy. Say goodbye to damaged panels and frustrating repairs. It's not just for cars. Use it on bikes, furniture, or anything with stubborn clips or fasteners. This kit includes 3 different tools and a handy storage bag for easy organization. Everything you need is right here. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, this kit will make your job easier and more efficient. Get yours today. What we like. Made of tough steel, it's built to last. The spring-loaded design makes quick work of removing clips. This is ideal if you prioritize speed and durability in a tool. What people say. Arrived fast and tools are as described. They do what they are supposed to do. Time saver. Must-have tool for car DIY stuff. Number 2. IOppWin Panel Clip Pliers. These pliers are designed with adjustable jaw openings to fit various clip sizes. Its composite shoulder prevents damage to your panels during use. It's perfect for removing all sorts of clips, fuses, relays, and even as a leverage tool. This makes it incredibly versatile for various tasks. They work on most car models, making it an essential tool for any automotive interior work. It's a great solution for removing plastic clips. Measuring 175 mm and weighing 170 g, it features a rubber handle for a comfortable and secure grip. This prevents slipping during use. Made from durable, rust-resistant steel, it's built to last. This ensures long-term use and reliability. We offer 24/7 after-sales service. Contact us with any questions, and we'll provide a quick solution. This tool is essential for anyone working with panel clips, trim, or fasteners. Get yours today. What we like. This tool's adjustable jaw fits various clip sizes. Its precision design prevents damage, and it's great for various tasks beyond car clips. If you need precision and versatility in one tool, this is the best option. What people say. Great little tool for the installers and myself. Well worth the price. Been using for a while now and it adds a new level of ease to the job. Nice addition to any car audio installer's toolbox. Use daily as a body tech. One of the tools I use every day. Bought multiple just in case one ever broke. If you work on cars, you should buy these. I work in an auto body shop as an RI tech. This is an absolutely great tool for removing body clips. Would strongly suggest anybody who's in the field buy one. Great value, well put together. Number 1. GEARWRENCH 3705 Panel Clip Pliers. These pliers are designed for easy removal of panel clips. Its added support prevents damage to the clips during removal. The unique design of these pliers provides added support, ensuring that you can remove even the most stubborn clips without causing damage. It features a double cushion grip handle for maximum comfort and control. This makes working with it easier and less tiring. Say goodbye to broken or damaged clips. It allows for quick and efficient removal, saving you time and frustration. This is a professional-grade tool built to last. It's perfect for mechanics, detailers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its simple design makes it easy to use, even for those with limited experience. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. What we like. It's designed to remove clips without causing damage. The cushion grip provides comfort during use. If protecting your car's clips in your hands is your priority, this is the best choice for you. What people say. This item is quality built, and should last for many years. The design is well thought out, and it can be used for many different applications. These are very well built and are definitely worth it. Panel clips are removed easily and with minimal breakage if at all, depends on age and UV exposure of your panel clip. Grip is padded enough for the job it's doing. The tool is made from a slim yet sturdy metal which will not bend while removing clips. The end is a bit beveled, not sure of the term, so it will slide into the gaps. The pulling height is sufficient to pull the clips off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.